Always a pleasure. I've had the enormous joy of speaking to the mighty Sachin Tendulkar for years and years. We've always talked about cricket. I've always come out richer. But today is a little different. And today is a little special because, Sachin, I think there's a little something on your hand. You've been donating blood today.
My arm? Yes.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of it.
What's the motivation behind doing this? What is the reason you do this so regularly?
Well, Harsha, just some time ago, one of my family members had a major surgery and lost a lot of blood. It was a traumatic experience, to be honest. And we didn't know what to do. At that time, some unknown person came and donated blood, saved my family member's life. Still don't know who that person is, but I'm using this platform to thank the person because such kind of contributions are invaluable. Today is World Blood Donors Day, and me along with my team decided to donate, and that's why I said I'm extremely proud of this. We've donated blood. I hope that it helps some needy one. This is one cause which I feel is really, really important. I would strongly urge everyone to come forward and voluntarily donate blood to help someone. This is a noble cause, and if we can, most of us can, whoever is in a position to donate, can come forward and donate. It would give you immense satisfaction.
As always, you've got the timing right. One of the things that I love most about this whole endeavor is exactly what you said, that people are donating blood to save lives of people they don't know. And I think there can be no greater generosity than the fact that the blood you've given today will go eventually to someone you don't even know. And to me, that is what generosity is all about.
Yeah, absolutely, because, like how we got someone's blood, we still don't know who the person was. And hopefully the same case with my blood and my team's blood also. We don't know who that our blood is going to go to. But for sure, it will help someone who's in need. And that sense of satisfaction is something else. And that is something which I'm, asking everyone else to do as much as possible. If your health allows you to do so, please do it. It's not that difficult. Get hold of any blood bank and they will guide you. It's as simple as that.
One of the things I love most, all I do is I retweet blood requests from blood donors Nothing has given me more satisfaction, Sachin, in the last few years than the fact that it brings together people who don't know each other. It could be someone in Muradabad, it could be someone in Agra, it could be someone in Trichy. That people all come together, come to help each other. There was one case where someone drove 2 hours, gave blood, went away, and like you said just now, the family didn't even know who had given it. So I agree entirely with Sachin. I think, as always, he's playing it on the middle of the bat. Please donate blood if you're eligible. Please go to any blood bank, donate blood, and if you could save a life, and that is about as noble as life gets.
Absolutely, Harsha, because we've got these digital platforms, and then through that, you have literally, with a press of a button, you have access to reach millions of people across the globe. And what better reason for us to get engaged and involved in this and spread this message? I think it's a noble cause. And as far as I'm concerned, I know that the end goal, the destination is the same, one destination: to save lives. And through multiple avenues, if you can get there, why not? All I can say right now is I'm extremely satisfied with what I've done today and proud of myself. I look at myself in the mirror and I feel happy.
Well done. And I noticed that in your second innings, you're being just as useful as you were in your first mate. Long continue. Thanks, Sachin.